Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of complete pay-per-click PTC website. So in this video I will completely guide you about this PTC Pro website and I will give you the complete review and I will show you how we can use this website, how we can control this website from admin panel. So be with us and watch this video till the end and I will completely guide you how you can build your own PTC website using this script. So viewers, this is the PTC Pro latest version script. Now if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can contact us and buy this amazing PTC script on a very low price from us, and we will provide you complete support and 100% guarantee for the script if you buy it from us. So viewers, now let's start this video. So first of all, you can look at its amazing home page. So it has a very amazing home page and you can completely change these details from admin panel. You can also change banners, whatever you want to change. You can change it from admin. Here you can see there is an about us section. So from this section you can edit these details and you can you add your own details about your company. So you can add about yourself. Here are the pricing plans. So you can see that there is currently only one plan which is of $50 and basic plan. Now you can insert multiple plans from admin panel. Now here you can see the more details, its period of plan, PTC ad limits for a day. Here you can also set referral bonus for the plan, so you can see everything in the plan. So I will show you how we can create plans from admin panel. So now if you also want to build your own PTC business website, you can contact us and we will build this complete website for you. And if you need any type of website, we build all type of website. If you need any type of website, contact us and we will build that for you. And here you can also insert latest blogs on the website, and here you can see this is a footer section. So this is a complete website. You can edit it, change it, whatever you want to do, you can do it. So viewers, you can change this logo also. And here now let's visit this page separately. So now you can visit all these pages separately. So this is the about us section. So you can see we are on our about page. So this is the about page section. Here is a plan page, so you can visit these pages separately. And this is a plan. You can see here is a FAQ, frequently asked questions section. So you can list frequently asked questions from admin panel. Here is a blog page, so user can view these pages separately as well. So here is a contact page, so user can go to contact page in order to view the complete details about your website. So you can list your details. Viewers, now let's log into its user panel and let's see how we can control this website from admin panel. But before going towards that, here you can see that I have installed this script on my subdomain, and this is not anyone else's domain, this is my own domain. You can see demo2.scriptsmasher.in. so I'm giving you a demo on my own domain. So here you can see there is an option to sign in. So there is, you can see that if you have an account, you can directly log in using your existing details. But if you don't have an account, you can create an account from here. So now just click on create account, and here you can register using these details. So now let me enter my first name. Here you have to enter your username. So I'm entering my username. Here you have to enter your user email. And you can select your country from here, whatever country you're from, so you can select it. And here I'm just entering with my random details, and here you can enter your password, and here confirm password, click on I agree to the terms, and you can click on sign up. So you can sign up to the website by this method, and you can also use two-factor authentication from admin panel. You can enable it and disable it. So you can see the amazing look of its dashboard. It has very amazing look, and let me tell you, mobile users can also easily use this website, so there will be no issue in phone. So mobile phone users can also easily use it. So you can see your main balance. Here you can see your total referral bonus, total deposit bonus, total payouts, current plan. So you can see that we haven't subscribed to any plan, so it's showing nothing. Here is total advertisement, 2-day advertisement, remaining ad views. Here you can see the summary of your investments, and you can see your statistics right here. So viewers, this is a very amazing look. Here you can see your advertisement details. So you can also insert advertisements as a user. So here is a total advertisement, active, deactive. Here is your referral links. You can add refer multiple users from here using this link, and you can also earn money through referral as well. So here you can see if you want to deposit money, you can deposit, click on add funds, and here you can deposit money using any of the gateway you want. So this is completely simple, and you can insert multiple gateways from admin panel. You can use automatic payment gateways, so you can see all the automatic payment gateways that are on your website, and you can pay through them. And if you want to turn them off, you can turn them off from admin as well. Here you can see your deposit add fund history from here, so you will see all your history. Here you can see your fund transfer, so you can transfer your funds from one account to another on the same website. Here you can see all your transactions on the website. So viewers, here is a withdraw section, so you can withdraw your money, your earnings from this website from here. Here is a withdraw history section, so user can see its withdraw history here, and where user can see all its advertisement list. So when user subscribe to a plan, advertisement will be appeared right here, and here user can create its own advertisement as a user. So here user can create advertisement, add view earning list, etc. from here. Here is a referral section, so you can see your referral link here, and when you will refer multiple users using this link, all those users will be appeared right here. So here you can see all your referral bonuses, and there is a support ticket option, edit profile, two-factor security, sign out option. So viewers, this is all about the user panel of this website. Now let's go to the admin panel of this website, and let's see how we can control this website from the admin panel. So I'm clicking on sign out. So now let's copy this link. So I'm just copying my link, and I'm directly going to admin panel of this website. So type /admin after the admin, and this is the admin login page of this website. So viewers, this is the admin login page. So you can see that here we have to enter our username and password in order to log in as an admin. So I will enter my username and password in order to log in. So I'm entering my username, and here I have to enter my password. And when you click on sign in, it will log you into your admin panel of this website. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our admin panel of this website. So admin, you can see that site is newly created, so you can see everything is new to the site. So here you can see total user, total active users on the site. Admin can completely control the website from here. Total deposit admin can see, total advertisements. Here admin can see the graphs of investments, ads, total withdraw, referral commission statistics, everything is here you can view. So admin can view all the details about the site, and admin can completely control this website from this amazing admin panel. So viewers, if you want to buy this script, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can contact us and buy this script from us on a very low price. So now if you buy it from us, we will give you a complete guarantee, and we will provide you complete support for installation. And if you need this complete website with domain name and hosting, we also build the complete websites. So if you buy it from us, there will be no issue for you to set it up. So we will do complete things for you. Here you can see that admin can change his profile details, password, log out, and here is a KYC identification form. So you can also insert KYC forms from here. So you can ask users to verify their driving license, passport, or national ID. So you can do it from here. You can turn it on off from here. Here you can turn on address verification, identity verification, whatever verification you want, you can turn it on off directly from here. So I am currently turning it off. Here is a manage plan section. So viewers, from here you can create a plan on your website. So now let me tell you how you can create a plan on the website. So just click on add new, and here you can add in Spanish or any local language. You can insert from admin panel. Now currently I will insert the plan in English, so I will insert silver plan. So silver, tag name PTC, so I'm just giving a random tag name. Here is a short title, and script smasher. Here you have to enter the price of the plan, and here enter the validity for how much days the plan will be valid on the website. And here you can insert ad limit 10, 20, whatever ad you want to insert, you can add it. So and here you can also add referral commissions. So currently we haven't created referral commission, so I will show you how we can create it. And here is the status of plan. You can turn it on off directly from here. So I'm just clicking on save, and it will save my plan. So viewers, you can see that we have just successfully inserted a PTC plan of $100 on our website. So now let's copy this domain name and let's check whether the plan is live on our website or not. So the viewers, let me just open the website. So this is our website. Now let's just open our plan page, and you can see that our plan is inserted successfully on our website. So this is how you can insert the plan on website. It's nothing difficult. It's completely easy. If you don't even have a knowledge about this, you can easily control this website from admin. So there's no mathematics or science knowledge right here. And here is the advertisement section. So now let's go to advertisement, and from here you can set up that profits or fees for advertisement of user. From here you can manage the advertisements. So let's go to manage advertisement, and here you can insert the ads directly from here. So you can put the ad name, user amount, all the ad details, image of ad, script code, whatever you want to insert. What ad, for example, if you want your users to view a YouTube video and subscribe to different YouTube channels, so you can insert it from here. Just insert, copy the link of that video, name, whatever you want to do, you can do it from here. So this is how you can insert the plan on this is how you can insert the ad on your website, and you can insert as many ads you want. And this is the referral section. So viewers, as I told you, you can insert multiple levels of referrals from here. And here you can turn on off plan purchase, ad fund bonus, advertisement view bonus. You can set up from here. So here just select for what referral you want to make. So I'm just want to make for plan purchase bonus, and I want 2 levels of referrals. So just click on generate, and here you have to fill the percentage of referral you want, commission you want. Just click on submit, and the commission will be created. Referral commission will be created. So here you can see that for plan purchase we just created a referral commission. Now you can add it in a plan as well. And here is a transaction section. So you can see all the transactions on your website, and here you can view ad view logs. So how much ads user view, you can do see it everything in this section. And this is the same referral commission section. Here you can view all the users on the website. So here you can see there is currently our own account. So if you want to edit this user or send mail to user, you can do it from here. So now you can view all the details of user. You can edit the user. Here you can see the fund logs of users. You can add or subtract fund from user account. So here you can add or subtract funds from user account. So now just click, I'm adding $100 to user account. So now here you will see that I can easily add $100 balance to user account. Now this $100 is added to user account. So this is how you can manage the users on the website. You can view pending KYC logs. You can send emails to all the users directly. And there is a payment method options, viewers. So these are all the automatic payment gateways. So you can view that all worldwide accepted gateways are listed. And here you can just edit them and put your own details, and user can easily pay money using automatic gateway. So you don't need to approve again and again user deposit. So this is how user can pay using automatic payment gateway. So if you want to create any local payment gateway, just click on manual gateway, and from here you can create a manual gateway on your website. So this is how you can create a manual gateway on this website. Now viewers, here is a deposit request. So you can view all the user deposit requests in this section, and you can approve or reject the requests of users. And here you can see all the payment logs. Here is a withdraw method section. So you can create the withdraw methods directly from here. And you can see that there are already some withdraw methods. But if you want to create your own withdraw method, just click on add new. And by filling these simple details, you can add your withdrawal method simply from here. So viewers, it's completely simple. So you can see that everything is under your hand, under the head of admin. So admin can control it. And here you can approve or reject the withdrawal requests of users. You can see withdrawal logs. Here you can see support ticket option. You can communicate, admin can communicate with user using support ticket. You can see subscriber list. There is an option of basic control. So here you can change the name of website. You can change the base colors, secondary colors, time zone, currency of the website. You can insert any local currency you want. And here you can turn on off balance transfer, user registration, cron job, debug mode. You can turn it on off from here. And viewers, here is a plugin configuration. You can add external plugins. You can view all the settings of the email, so you can set up emails from here. Here is SMS setting. You can manage SMS from here. You can insert any of your local language directly from here. So it's completely simple. Just click on add new, and you can add any of your local language from here. It's completely simple, viewers. Here is a manage logo and SEO option. So you can change the logo of this website, and you can manage the SEO and meta keywords directly from here. So you don't need to do external SEO, and you can easily change the logos. Here you can manage the blogs, and you can insert multiple blogs on the website from here. So let's me click on blog list, and if you want to insert the new blog, just click on add new, and you can add a new blog from here. So fill these details, and you can easily add a new blog. And if you want to delete or edit the existing blogs, you can do it from here. So it's completely simple. Here are the sections, so you can edit all the website sections that are on your home page. As I told you, you can completely edit the website. So now just click on about us section. For example, I want to edit the about us section, so you can completely edit the about us section, its image, its link, whatever is in you can completely edit it. So similarly, you can edit all the sections that are on your website. And here you can manage the content setting of testimonial, feature, social links, etc. You can manage them from here. So viewers, I completely guided you about in this website. So if you want to buy the script from us, to contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can contact us, and we will provide you complete support, and we will give you script with complete 100% money back guarantee if you buy it from us. And viewers, do like and subscribe to our channel, and if you need any type of website, just feel free to contact us, and we will build that site for you. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.